Since the dawn of humanity, we've been obsessed with one impossible dream: turning back the clock. We write stories about it, we make movies about it, but the laws of physics have always given us a cold, hard no. But what if I told you that deep inside the world's most advanced laboratories, scientists haven't just theorized about time reversal, they've actually done it? Recent breakthroughs, including astonishing research from the Los Alamos National Laboratory, have proven that the arrow of time is not as absolute as we thought. In the microscopic world of quantum mechanics, time can and does flow backward. Today, we are unlocking one of the greatest scientific secrets of our era. We're going to explore how scientists reverse time, why they just disproved the infamous butterfly effect, and what this means for the future of humanity. Welcome to Arthur's Physics. To understand how we broke time, we first need to understand why time only moves forward in our everyday world. It all comes down to a fundamental rule of the universe, the second law of thermodynamics, or in one word, entropy. In our reality, things go from order to disorder. A shattered cup never spontaneously reassembles itself. Heat flows from a hot cup of coffee into the cold air, never the other way around. This constant march toward chaos creates what physicists call the arrow of time. But when you zoom in, way down into the quantum realm, the rules of the game completely change. Down here, among electrons and photons, the concept of entropy gets fuzzy. The fundamental equations of quantum mechanics, like the Schrödinger equation, are what we call time-symmetric. Mathematically, they work perfectly whether time is moving forward or backward. This mathematical quirk remained just a theory until researchers decided to put it to the test using the most powerful machines on Earth, quantum computers. Instead of traditional bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. Researchers at Los Alamos and other top institutions created a complex quantum state, essentially simulating a specific moment in time. They let the qubits interact, evolve, and become tangled in a messy state of quantum chaos. In the normal world, this is the shattered coffee cup. The information seems lost forever. But then they hit the system with a specific algorithm, a mathematical mirror. And what happened? The system rewound. The quantum chaos instantly reversed, snapping perfectly back into its original state. They didn't just simulate time reversal, they physically manifested it in a quantum system. They rebuilt the shattered cup. But this discovery led to a terrifying question. What about the butterfly effect? You know the rule. If you travel back in time and step on a butterfly, you might alter the course of history and completely destroy the future. In physics, this is known as chaos theory, high sensitivity to initial conditions. Scientists wanted to know, if we send quantum information back in time and intentionally damage it, step on the quantum butterfly, will the present be destroyed? They ran the time reversal simulation again. The qubits went back in time. But this time, the researchers intentionally scrambled one of the qubits in the past. They introduced a localized damage. When they ran the system forward to the present day, the result left them speechless. The system didn't break. The information survived. The quantum realm effectively healed itself. They proved that in the quantum world, the butterfly effect does not exist. Reality is surprisingly resilient. So what does this mean for us? Can you build a time machine in your garage? Go back to 2010 and buy Bitcoin? Unfortunately, no. Humans are macroscopic objects, bound by the unforgiving laws of entropy. We are the shattered coffee cup. But this isn't a disappointment, it's a revolution. Because while we can't travel through time, information might be able to. By proving that quantum systems can rewind and heal themselves from past damage, scientists have unlocked the secret to building virtually indestructible quantum networks. We are looking at the foundation of ultra-secure quantum internet, unbreakable encryption, and computers capable of solving the deepest mysteries of the universe. We haven't built a DeLorean yet, but we have reached into the very fabric of reality, grabbed the arrow of time, and pointed it backward. And we are just getting started. If you want to dive deeper into the unsolved mysteries of our universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments. If you could send one piece of data back in time, what would it be? Until next time, keep questioning reality. This is Arthur's Physics.